International numeration system is a numeration system which is used in most of the countries, in Western countries and most of the foreign countries. This numeration system is based upon decimal number system only. Like we saw in the case of Indian numeration system, that was based on decimal number system. So this also is based on decimal number system. Decimal number system. But it has some different place of a number. The names are different, as we saw in the case of Indian numeration system. It is little bit different from that. And what are the places names in international numeration system? First we write here international numeration, international numeration system, as based on decimal number system only. Okay, the numbers place, that is place of a number, it has names like it has ones, then it has tens, then it has hundreds. Okay, then it has thousands, then it has 10,000s, taking a letter away, 10,000s, and then 100,000s. Okay, then we have 1,000,000, then we have 10,000,000, then we have 100,000,000, and then we have 1,000,000,000, then we have 10,000,000,000, then we have 100,000,000,000, and so on. It goes on. The reason I am leaving this place is it's out of your level. That is, it's something that higher class students study. So leave this portion. Now see why I have used different colors for different places. The reason is the different colors show that the grouping is different. Like hundreds, tens, and ones, these are grouped together. Thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s, these are grouped together. 1,000,000, 10,000,000, and 100,000,000, these are grouped together. 1,000,000,000, 10,000,000,000, and 100,000,000,000, these are grouped together separately. What does that mean? The grouping is done differently because in that particular way, you will read, you will expand, or you will name the number. Like we saw in the case of Indian numeration system, where we were asked to expand the number and we were asked to name a number or read the number. We would do it on the basis of grouping the numbers, like in ones, tens, 100, and then 1,000 and 10,000, like that. So in this case, these groupings are different. like ones, tens, hundred, and thousand, 10,000, hundred thousands, then 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million, then 1, 10, and 100 billion, like groupings of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. It will be more clear if we take an example and then understand it. By the way, in the next, the example that I'm going to take, there I'll not use these full names. I'll use the abbreviation. Like for ones, I'll write O only. For tens, I'll write T. For hundreds, I'll write H. For thousands, I'll write TH, and so on. So let's take an example so that this whole concept of international numeration system and how it is read and how it is expanded is done. So let me take a number, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 0, then 1, then 2. Suppose this is a number and you are asked to read or name the number in international numeration system. So what would be the first step? First step would be to put the comma, to use the comma. And how you would use the comma? Start from the right, and then move towards the left. And after every 3 number, put the comma. So first comma will come here. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Second comma will come here. Again start 1, 2, and 3. The third comma will come here. Okay, there's no need to put comma here because we don't have any digit before 1, so leave that. Now the first step is completed. What would be the second step? The second step would be to assign them at their respective places. So the first place is ones, the second place is tens, the third place is hundreds. So write 2 is at the ones place, write 2 here. 1 is at the tens place, write 1 here. 0 is at the hundreds place, write 0 here. Now move on 9, 8, and 7. So next 3 places are thousands, 10,000, and 100,000s, right? So write 9 at the thousands place, 8 at the 10,000s place, 7 at the 100,000s place. Now come at 6, 5, and 4. So 6, 5, and 4, what are the next 3 places? It's 1 million, then it is 10 million, then it is let me save some space, otherwise I'll be short of the space. It's 1 million, then it is 10 million, then it is 100 million. 6 is at the place of 1 million, 5 is at the place of 10 million, and 4 is at the place of 100 million. So write it. Now comes the number of 1 billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion. Write the numbers. 3 would come here, 2 would come here, 1 would come here. So we have assigned all the digits in the given number at their respective places. Now second step is complete. Third step is to read the this number. How would you read that? So let me go back, and if you could see here, this grouping was for 1001, this was for 1000, okay, and this grouping, this million one, and up to here, because there was no space, therefore I wrote it here. This is for the million, this is for the million, this one was for billion, So grouping for thousand, then million, then billion. You will use it here. So this grouping is for thousand, same way. This grouping was for million, and this one was for billion. Now use it here. So this is 123. Of course, see, I'm going to read the number by grouping the places. Like grouping is done in this billion, then is the million, then is a thousand, and leave it 110 and ones place. It's very simple. 1 2 3 123 billion. So how would you write the number? 100. Of course, this number is 123, right? If you have to read this number 1 2 3, how do you read it? Of course, 123. So 123 billion, right? 123 billion. So this portion is complete. Now come add this one. What is this? 456. So 123 billion 400. Let me write 100 here. I don't know whether you would be able to say it or not. 456 million. So billion is complete, million is complete. Now come at thousand. This one. So what is this? 789, of course, right? So 56 million 789,000. Right? Now this is complete. Now come at this one. And this would be read in the same way as you read the 3 digits, right? You read the 3 digits. So this is 12, because 0 is at the place of 100, so we cannot read that. So 0 1 2 is nothing, but this is 12 only, because if you put 0 before any digit, that cannot be counted in the value. So it's 12. So here you will write 12. So this is also complete. So the name of this number, or the way you will read the number, would be 123 billion 456 million 789,000, and this number is 12. This is 12. So this was an example to show how do you read a number in international numeration system. In next video we would look at what's the difference between Indian numeration system and the international numeration system. Thank you.